Hello guys, today we are going to discuss the Python operators. So in the Python operator, first of all, let's discuss the arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform the mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. What modulus is? Modulus is the remainder of the division. Okay. And next is floor division. So let's understand the difference between the integer division and the floor division. Integer division gives you the exact value of the quotient. Whereas the floor division gives you the whole number. Means only the value which comes before the decimal. Only the values which comes before the decimal. Next is exponent. Exponent is the power. For example, if we are writing 2 exponent 3, what does that mean? 2 raised to power 3, which means 8. So 8 is the value. Okay. Now let's see. There are some examples where we have used the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division. Now let's see the difference. See, the integer division gives you the exact value, whereas the floor division gives you the whole number. That is only 3. The value which comes before the decimal. The exponent 50625. How? X is equal to 15, y is equal to 4. So 15 raised to power 4 gives you 50625. Okay. Now let's see the comparison operator. The comparison operators are used to compare the values, and it gives you the values either in true or false. Means always gives you the value in booleans, right? Now first is greater than, second is less than, equal to if both the operands are equal, not equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So there are some examples of the usage of the comparison operator. If x is greater than y is false because x is 10, y is 12. Okay, these are some examples, the simple examples. Okay. Now next is the logical operators. Now the logical operators. Logical operators compare the two values. How? If in the case of AND, if we compare the two values, for example, A and B. If A is true, B is also true. It gives you the value true. If A is true, B is false, then it will give you the value false. And if A is false, B is true, then also it gives you the false value. If both are false, then it will give you the false value. True is only in the case when both A and B are true. The next is OR. True if either of the operands is true. Means in the case of OR, if one of the operand is true, then it will give you the true. Means here is also true. If both are true is also true. If one of the operand is true, then it is also true. One of the operand is true, it is also true. Otherwise, it is false. That is for OR. Next is NOT. NOT is the complement of the value, right? If it is gives you the true value, what is the NOT of this? That is false. It complements the operand. Okay. These are some of the examples, the usage of the logical operators. Now next is the assignment operator. Assignment operator is a simple, we are assigning the value to a variable. Suppose here A is a variable and we are assigning 5 to the variable. That is a simple assignment operator. Okay. Now we have the compound operators, or we can say that shorthand operators. Shorthand assignment operators. Okay, a plus equal to 5, which means a equal to a plus 5. So these are the operators. Equal to, plus equal to. Equal to is a simple operator in which we are assigning the value to a variable. Plus equal means x is equal to x plus 5. Minus equal, x is equal to x minus 5. Multiply equal, x is equal to x multiplied by 5. Similarly for the division, modulus, floor division, exponent. Now this is the AND operator. Okay, we are able to use AND like this also. This is the NOT. This is the AND. This is the OR. Okay. Next is the XOR operator. Now, what the XOR operator does, kindly understand this. XOR operator, if A, B. For example, we have the values A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. Now, why am I taking 0? Because we are going to convert the value into a binary number. It will do the bitwise operation. It will do the bitwise operation. So we can also say that these are the bitwise operators. Bitwise operators. And or XOR not. Okay. So A, B, if both are 0, then this is also 0. If A is 1, B is 0, then it is 1. That is of XOR operator. Now, if A is 0, B is 1, then again it is 1. If both are 1, then it will give you the 0 value. That is for XOR operator. Okay. Now, next is the right shift operators and the left shift operators. Right shift and left shift operators. Now, let's see the difference between them. Now, let's take a number. For example, I'm just taking x is equal to 5. Now, what is a binary value of 5? That is 1, 0. Now, what do? We are going to do the right shift. Means x is right shifted to 2. Now, this is the binary value of 5. Now, these are the right shift bitwise operators. Now, what they are going to do? X is 5. So, the binary value of x is 5. They are going to shift the operators to the right side, the values to the right side. Okay. After shifting the values to the right side, we are going to put 2 zeros to the left side. Okay. We are going to shift 2 values to the right side, means we are going to dump these 2 values and we are left with only 1. So we are going to put here 1. So the value of this binary number, that is, okay, we are going to dump the 2 values and we are going to put 2 zeros on the left side according to this number, right? Similarly, if we are doing the left shift, right, what I am going to do, I am going to put these number of zeros to the right hand side. These number of zeros to the right hand side. Means value of x is 5. The binary number is 101. I am going to put 2 zeros to the right hand side. Here. Okay. Now the decimal value of this binary number becomes 20. Okay. Now, if you want to see the practical of these shift right and left shift operators, I will give you an example. For example, I have taken x equal to 5, right? I'm going to use the right shift bitwise operator. X is greater than greater than 15. That is a right shift operator. Similarly, I'm using left shift bitwise operator. Means I'm going to put 2 less than 9. Okay. Now let's run this code. You can see the value of right shift bitwise operator, that is 1. Left shift bitwise operator, that is 20. Okay, I hope it is clear to all of you. Okay, if you like this video, kindly subscribe